I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by importing only the RAW files you need. Pick the sharpest frame and discard clear rejects. Once imported, apply a neutral camera profile to preserve color. You should set white balance roughly now, because it guides later edits. Use the eyedropper on a neutral patch when available. Make a 1/10 to 1/5 global exposure tweak if the histogram is clipped. Then, flag favorites so you only work on the best files. This saves time. You now move into the detailed corrections that shape the image. Start with exposure and contrast. Nudge exposure, pull highlights down, and open shadows to recover detail. Watch the histogram to avoid clipping. Once done, add texture or clarity sparingly to enhance midtone contrast. Make lens corrections next. Enable profile correction and remove chromatic aberration because optics shape sharpness and color. Use local adjustments or masks to dodge and burn. This sculpts depth without global harm. You finish by sharpening for the intended output and applying noise reduction as needed. Preview at 100% to judge detail. Then, set your export. Choose resolution, color space, and file type, sRGB for web, Adobe RGB, or ProPhoto for print. Once exported, inspect on another device to confirm color and contrast. If you see banding or odd colors, try reprocessing at 16-bit, reduce extreme saturation, or switch camera profile. This fixes most artifact issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.